went to another challenge live session whereby I try to do the task and explain what I understand and how exactly I'm going to go about solving it. So this is another Azure challenge, and it says, I'm just going to read through and then give a summary of what I think we're supposed to be doing. All right, so the challenge says we should attach an interface to the VM. We should attach the network interface to the VM. So the network interface in Azure is the same as the elastic network interface in AWS. So the other part of the task says we should ensure that the status is attached. So I guess that's the reason. I feel like the challenge is not fully explained, because whenever you launch a VM, the network interface, even on your personal PC, we always have a specific network interface, and it's associated with a private IP address. But the reason why they are specifically mentioning that the network interface in this case is because the NIC is actually going to be attached to a public IP, which is a resource within the Azure. Even in the AWS, that's your static IP, the one that does not change. So in the case that we have server A this side and server B, in case server A fails, we can just detach the network interface to put it on another VM. So that means the public IP carries over, and we don't have to worry about DNS or users or clients having to change anything on their side. So this is certainly useful for failover, for blue-green replacement, or for firewall and routing applications where quick recovery after VM failure is needed. So the VM is the NIC or the ENI, and it is going to, the VM gives us in terms of the association, and this allows for things like VNet, even your VPC or your internet gateway can be associated. So I think that's the challenge. I'm just going to log in. So I'm going to log in. These credentials are temporary, so don't worry about them. You can't really use them. In order to attach, I'm just going to go to the VM, and if I'm not mistaken, we need to stop the VM before we can attach. So I'm just going to stop this VM, and once the VM is stopped, we're just going to go to the network settings and look for any option that is there to attach the network interface. So it's taking a little bit of time. I forgot to press yes. Yeah, I think it's... What is the task saying? That I should attach a network interface and ensure that the status is attached. And I'm here trying to attach something that has already been attached. Okay, I guess that's it. How the network interface, one that they wanted, is now attached. I'm just gonna wait to see if it's actually fully attached. Okay, so it's been successfully attached, and I think it was showing all along though. US East. I guess that's the end of the lab. And as I said, I think I did explain why the network interface card, or the in AWS Elastic network interface, is important, and it is also a concept that is there on our own PC. So yeah, I will see you in the next video.